We're explaining the 400 bad request header or cookie too large error. This frustrating error happens when your web browser sends a request to a website, but the request's headers or cookies are too big for the server to handle. Think of it like trying to send a giant package through a tiny mailbox. It just won't fit. 1. Understanding request. Headers and cookies. Web browsers use headers to provide information about the request, such as the type of browser you're using, the language you prefer, and the type of content you expect in return. Cookies are small pieces of data that websites store on your computer to remember your preferences or login status. Both headers and cookies are essential for website functionality, but can become oversized. 2. Why does this error occur? Several reasons can cause this error. One common cause is having too many browser extensions or add-ons running simultaneously. Each extension might add its own headers or cookies, gradually increasing the total size. Another reason is a website that uses an excessive number of cookies or overly large cookies. Websites might track many aspects of your browsing behavior, leading to this. A less common scenario involves a corrupted browser profile, which can result in unusually large cookie storage. Lastly, malicious scripts or malware could be responsible for creating an unusually large cookie data. 3. Troubleshooting the error. The first step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. This removes temporary files, including those oversized cookies and headers. Restarting your browser after clearing your cache and cookies often solves the problem. If the issue persists, try disabling browser extensions one by one. Identify which extension might be responsible for the large header or cookie data by observing if the error disappears after disabling a particular extension. If disabling extensions doesn't resolve the issue, check your browser profile for corruption. If the problem continues, consider using a different browser to see if the error is browser-specific. A different browser might not experience this issue if it's a browser-specific problem. In extreme cases, consider contacting the website's support or your internet service provider. 4. Preventing future errors. Regularly clear your browser's cache and cookies to prevent the accumulation of unnecessary data. Be mindful of the number of browser extensions you use and disable those you don't need. Choose websites carefully and avoid those with a history of excessive tracking. It's a good practice to scan your computer periodically for malware. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot this common web error.